Hello and welcome to our deep dive into the Kaspa ecosystem. Today, we're looking at why this technology isn't just, fast, but it might completely rewrite the rulebook for proof of work.
Right.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Lena. So, Alex, let's jump right in. When people hear Kaspa, they almost always hear fast. We just had the Crescendo update to 10 blocks per second.
Exactly.
But that's really just the tip of the iceberg, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the 10 BPS is impressive, sure.
Okay.
But the how, that's what's truly fascinating.
Right.
Imagine a normal blockchain, like a single lane road. Only one car can go at a time.
Right.
If two show up at the same time, one has to wait, or it gets rerouted.
Wow.
And all that work is just wasted. Kaspa is different.
The BlockDAG.
Precisely. Think of the BlockDAG more like a 10-lane highway where all 10 lanes are being used at the same time. And the system is so intelligent that it merges all that traffic into a single ordered whole. No block gets orphaned, no transaction is wasted.
Wow.
That's basically the magic of the GHOSTDAG protocol.
And that whole architecture just got a massive upgrade. Not just more lanes, but a whole new engine. I'm talking about the Rust rewrite that Michael Sutton led. I mean, that was a huge undertaking, wasn't it?
Huge is an understatement. It's like changing the engine of an F1 car mid-race. They literally rewrote the entire code base from Golang to Rust.
Okay.
And that doesn't just make it more performant. Thanks to Rust's memory management, it's also more secure, and this is really important, it's way more accessible for new developers to jump in.
And this new engine, it serves an even bigger purpose.
Right.
Kaspa's founder, Yonatan Sompolinsky, he talks about establishing Kaspa as the ultimate global sequencer.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty abstract. What does that actually mean for us?
Well, it's a total paradigm shift. The idea is Kaspa doesn't even try to be everything at once. It's not trying to be a payment network and a smart contract platform.
So what is it?
It focuses on one single thing that it's unbeatable at: ordering transactions with extreme speed and security.
Okay.
So it basically becomes the ultimate layer of truth for other systems that build on top of it.
So Kaspa is the operating system, and now we're seeing the first apps being built on it.
Exactly.
Projects like Casplex and Igro Labs.
Right, perfect analogy. That's the layer where the real action is happening for users.
Yeah.
And so, Lena, you looked into these layer 2 projects. What's going on there?
Oh, there's a real buzz. You have Casplex, for example, and they're focused on making it super easy for developers to get started. Their testnet is already going full speed.
Okay.
And then you have Igro Labs, and they are taking a very ambitious path.
You're talking about atomic composability.
Exactly. It's a technical term, I know. But the idea is revolutionary. Imagine in one single transaction, you want to swap a token on a DEX.
Wow.
Immediately use that profit as collateral for a loan somewhere else.
Okay.
And then automatically invest that loan into a third pool.
On most chains, that would be like 3 or more separate, super risky transactions.
Exactly.
And if one part fails, the whole thing could just fall apart.
Right.
But atomic composability, how Igro wants to do it, bundles all of that into one indivisible super transaction.
Wow.
Either everything works at once or nothing happens at all. That's amazing.
It just opens up possibilities for DeFi apps that are so complex, but also so secure in a way that we've never really seen. It's like the difference between cooking a 3-course meal by hand versus a fully automatic food processor that syncs everything perfectly.
Yeah.
So you have this base layer that's just optimized for pure speed and order.
Right.
And then on top of it, you have this second layer where, it's like a Cambrian explosion of innovation happening.
Yeah.
And one just wouldn't be possible without the other.
And that is the core of it. The speed of Kaspa isn't an end in itself.
Right,
It's the fertile ground where a complex, fair, and super efficient ecosystem can actually grow. The core devs are building the highway, and the L2 devs are building the cities right alongside it. It's a fascinating development. It really shows that proof of work is far from over.
Definitely not.
It's maybe just reinventing itself.
Which brings us to a question for our listeners. If a base layer like Kaspa focuses on just being the fastest, most secure organizer of transactions,
Yeah.
and the actual app logic happens on layer 2s, what does that mean for the future of blockchain architecture? Are we seeing the birth of a new standard where each layer just specializes in what it does best?
Something to think about. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.